while picking your avocado, the avocado should be firm to the touch, but yielding to a little bit of thumb pressure. Start by cutting your avocado in half. Twist to open it up. Remove the seed by pressing the knife inside and twist that as well. Tonight's avocado is going to be used for guacamole, so I'm going to dice it inside of the skin. And then just spoon it out like you normally would. After spooning your avocado into a preferably glass bowl, add a little bit of lemon juice to the avocado. This will prevent it from browning. It's important to keep air away from the avocado as well. So take your cellophane wrap and just press it firmly against the avocado. This will keep your avocado fresh a lot longer.